Well, it's midnight, going into Father's Day here in Tulsa. Hear the tornado siren warning. Now I'm really hoping that this will be a uneventful Father's Day. This is just precautionary for now, the siren. Ooh, boy, it hit fast. Oh, hail. Oh, power's out. After the hour-long midnight pounding, I was sweltering in my house with no electricity. I had to go try to stay with nearby family. It's a little after 1 in the morning. That only lasted less than an hour if it's over. And that's some of the worst tree damage I have ever seen in my life. Oh my gosh, somebody's house is on fire. Gosh, that house is still on fire. I wish I could help. I've seen a good Samaritan stopping his car and pulling all these big branches out of the way. I've just got to get out of here. Oh my gosh. Happy Father's Day to me. It's like 3 in the morning. This is my front yard. Here was our Father's Day in Tulsa. This is just all over the place.